Today we have a set of forks from a company called Halingshan. It's their Laguiole. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. It's quite a nice set. It comes in a lovely cardboard box. And then it's got Laguiole is not a simple set of tableware, but the crystallization of a French craftsman who pursues quality, should have a space there, and design. For a centuries accumulation, Halingshan has designed the crafts, each of which boasts unique charm. You will feel lucky if Halingshan serves you on the table. That's quite a bold call, to be honest. With the forks themselves, they seem to be carved out of wood and then a metal shaft, I would say. And they're quite sharp. Yeah, don't bend easy either. And all of the actual fork bits line up, which is always a plus. On the side, you do have a very weird sort of bit. Can't really describe it. Yeah, they're a fantastic set of forks. They're great. It would have been nice to see some spoons and knives with it as well, rather than having to buy all of those separately. But for 6 forks, I don't think you can actually get much better than these, because they're pretty good, to be honest. Enjoy.